Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock an iPhone 16 unavailable without a passcode. You are seeing the iPhone unavailable on the black lock screen. Why did this happen and what you can do to fix the unavailable screen? When you enter too many incorrect passcodes to unlock your iPhone, you will get the iPhone unavailable message on the screen. The more incorrect passcodes you input, the longer time you need to wait before you are allowed to try a passcode again. Method 1. Fix iPhone 16 unavailable from the lock screen. Make the failed attempts at entering passcode until the unavailable screen says try again in 5 minutes. Directly tap Forgot Passcode on the iPhone lock screen. Tap Start iPhone Reset. After that, enter the Apple ID password to begin the resetting process. Depending on the internet speed, the process will take some time to finish. When it loads successfully, the iPhone unavailable screen has been removed. So the problem is resolved. Set up the phone and personalize the settings. Method 2. Fix iPhone 16 unavailable via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer and make it enter recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer. You got the prompt to ask you to update or restore the iPhone. Click Restore. Click Restore and Update to confirm. Well, iTunes is downloading the firmware package and restores the iPhone to factory settings. Alright, your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. And it restarts on the Hello screen. Method 3. Fix iPhone 16 unavailable via iCloud. Find My iPhone. Before we go, you should make sure Find My iPhone is enabled on the iPhone, and it is connected to a stable network before it becomes unavailable. Go to iCloud.com on your PC or other accessible devices. Click Sign In button. Then sign in with the Apple ID and password. Sometimes, it needs to finish the two-factor authentication. Click Find My option. Enter your password to continue using Find Devices. See, all devices are listed on the left. Choose your locked iPhone. Click Erase this device. Click Next. Oh, the Apple ID password is needed again. Click Next. Click Erase. All right, the process begins. Click OK. Method 4. Fix iPhone 16 unavailable via iPhone Passcode Genius. Just download and share iPhone Passcode Genius on the official website. This software is designed to remove iPhone multiple types of lock screen, can help to fix the iPhone unavailable screen, and reset it to factory settings. Then install it on the computer. Now open the software. Click Unlock Lock Screen option. Hit the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Click the Next button. Download firmware. Check the note message. Then click Unlock to remove the screen lock. Just wait a minute. Your iPhone unavailable screen will be removed. Congratulations!